welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the baile TIK TOK trend, which is very, very popular. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's get started. The very first thing we're going to do is clap 16 times. I've counted them. So we're just going to do it once, and then when I say we're going to do the dance from the beginning, we're not going to clap because it's just going to be a waste of time. So we're going to do it once, and then just remember it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can clap however you want. You can just do it in one place. You can do a circle with your hands however you want. The important thing is to clap, okay? So we're going to clap, and then after this, we're going to go 1. So we're going to put our fingers together like this, and we're going to go 1, okay? So after this, here comes the fast part or the dance part, but it's not that hard at all. But we're going to practice it a couple times so that you remember everything and it's easy for you to learn. So let's go. 1, 2. Our hands are going to be in fists, okay? 1, 2. Right hand is on top of our left hand. And then we're gonna roll our arms. Just roll them towards you because you can do it either like this or like this. I think it's just easier to do it towards us. And then we're gonna go circle, circle. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning. Well, from here, and then I'm gonna explain this part a little bit more to you so that you understand, and then we'll move on. Okay, let's go. 1, 1, 2, roll, circle, circle. So right now our hands are still in fists, and what we're going to do is our right elbow goes up, left one down, and we're going to do a circle, and then just the opposite, left elbow goes up, right one down, like that. But we're not going to tilt that much, just a little bit, okay? Like that. Okay, let's do it once again from the beginning, and we'll move on. 1, right, left, roll, circle, circle. Okay, so the next step after this is the butterfly. Now, I'm going to explain you how to do the butterfly because many people ask. Maybe I'll do also like a tutorial on how to do the butterfly, but right now I don't have one, so I'm just going to explain it quickly to you. We're going to put our wrists together and our palms face towards us, like that. And fingers look to the sides. Now, what we're going to do is do a circle with our hands, and our right palm looks towards the camera, and then left one still towards us. Then we're going to do a quarter circle, and then both our palms face towards the camera, and then left palm faces towards the camera, right one towards us. Okay, now we're going to do the butterfly, but very, very slow. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it looks like. Now, to do it faster, you can use either a hair tie to put in between, like you put it here and here, just one, so that it joins your wrists together. Because if you do it like this, it doesn't look like anything, right? But if your wrists are together, it does look like a butterfly, right? Now, the only thing we have to do is practice it faster and faster. Right now, you're going kind of like this, then you do it a little bit faster, and you will get this eventually. It doesn't come in 1 minute. You'll have to practice and practice and practice, but don't worry because you'll get it, okay? So even though right now you don't really know how to do the butterfly, just keep on practicing. So after the butterfly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the dice roll. That's how this move is called. We're gonna do a step, like a small jump. We're gonna step on our left leg, and then our right leg goes forward, and then our left hand is in a fist, it goes forward, right one is in a fist too, and it goes 1, 2. Okay, once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now we're gonna do it from the very beginning slow, and we'll move on. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, right, left, roll, circle, circle, butterfly, step. Perfect. Now, after this step, what we're going to do is we're going to put both our legs together, and we're going to go like this, as if we were asking someone to shut up, like that. And then we're gonna go 1, 2. So our hands are open, and now our right hand goes to the left one to the right. So it's gonna look like this, 1, 2. And I don't know if you have noticed, but we're also gonna tilt to the sides a little bit, like that. So when we go to the left, our body goes to the left a little bit too. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now, I'm going to show you what's after this, but first let's do it from the very beginning. Let's go. 1. Right, left, roll. 1, 2. And then remember, butterfly, dice roll. 1, 2. Do you remember? If you don't, then you can just return a little bit, like about 15 seconds, and just practice it again until you get it. And now return to this part of the video, and we'll move on. Okay? 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our hands are fists again, and then they're bent in front of us, and they go to the left, to the right, like that. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then after this, we're gonna go 1, 2. We're gonna pretend we have the most beautiful nails in the world, and we're gonna try to show them to the camera as much as we can, like that. Okay? Once again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're gonna do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Right, left, roll, circle, circle, butterfly, step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend. Our right hand is in front of us. Our hands are fists, by the way. And we're gonna go 1, 2. We're gonna twist our legs. So our knee faces outwards, and it's gonna go inwards, like that. So 1, 2, and then both our hands are in front of us, and we're gonna go 1, 2. Like that. So it's gonna look like this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, this is gonna be the last move. We're gonna go 1, 2. So wave, wave. And our hands go to the sides like this, as if we were doing this. Okay? 1, 2. The reason I don't go up anymore is because here is like when the sound cuts, so it doesn't make any sense to go even higher because the camera is not gonna film it. So, now that we have the whole dance, we're going to practice it twice from the beginning with the clapping too. First slow, and then a little bit faster. And then the only thing you'll have to do is practice it at the TikTok speed. But first, let's do it slow. Are you ready? From the clapping, remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to wait about 2 seconds, and we're going to go 1, right, left, roll, circle. Circle, butterfly, step, right, left, 1 and 2, 1, twist, slide, slide. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing, but faster. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 2 seconds. 1, 1, 2, roll, circle, circle, butterfly, step, right, left, 1 and 2, 1, twist, 1, 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.